Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dual connection and connect the second device for your speaker EDIFIER D32. And right here we have a first device what do not connect it with the speaker and haven't application, and the second device what connected with the speaker and have an application, and we need to use an application to enable it because by default dual connection disabled. So open EDIFIER Connect app. Of course you need to add your speaker to the application and then you will see the same menu. Go to the settings at the right top, and right here at the second line we have multipoint connection. Tap at this line and tap at the slider near to it to enable it. Then confirm. Now this speaker should restart it. Okay, so with this speaker sometimes it happens that you don't want to restart automatically. If you go to the Bluetooth, try to reconnect it, it said you to that it cannot connect or just ask you to forget this device. So you need to remove your device, and after that, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device at the top. But if you don't have this button, because not all Android phones have it, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Now tap at your earbuds here. And let's return to the application and check if we enable this mod. Go to the settings, multipoint connection, yes, it enabled. After that, we can finally pair the second device. So go to the settings at your second device, at first device, okay, never mind. And then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click pair new device if you have this button, or just enter to the Bluetooth. Now, on the front side, at the bottom, we have Bluetooth button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light near to the power button starts blinking. Here we go. Now we just enter to pairing mode, so we should see the speaker at the device list. Right here we have it. Click at your speaker and then click pair. Now let's check is it still connected with the first device, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices and tap at your speaker here. And as you can see right now it connected with both my phones. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!